guys, welcome back again to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through on how I was able to make this top from the beginning to the end part of it. So if you are interested, continue watching. Do well to watch to the end, don't skip any part, okay? And if you have not watched the drafting part, I'll leave the link of the video in the description box of this particular video. Do well to click to watch so you understand every part of it. So with that being said, let's get started. And this is the center front and this is the side front. Do you understand? So here I have two fabric, and this side as well I have two. Okay, I've equally cut the lining part, two of the material and two of the lining. So for this top you need like 1 yard to get it done. I first of all glued my hairstay before the pad, only at this side. This side there's no pad, only the hairstay. Can you see? So for the center front, I have my hairstay and my pad as well. For the lining, I did the same thing. The reason why I had to attach my wording on the lining is because I would like to, structure that part. Do you understand? So it's optional though. If you don't have this to go in two places, that is for the fabric and for the lining, you can just skip that part, and you can also structure that side without the breast pad if you wish. I have my bonings. So I have the smaller boning. This is what I'll be using to structure the bust area on the lining or bust caging. So this one will go for the outer part. To go for the outer part on the fabric for my style lines. So I have another boning. This is the plastic boning. I'm going to use this for the back side, the lacing part of the back side. So guys, having said that, the next step is to go over to my sewing machine and join this. Okay, so I'm going to first of all place this on this and sew the same to this before attaching this particular side. Do you understand? So whatever I do to the main fabric, I'll also do on the lining. So I'm going to go ahead and use my hairstay to flatten it more. So I'm going to place my hairstay like this and iron it. So guys, after covering this seam allowance with hairstay, you can see everything lay flat. So this is the back side. I've equally joined them together with the lining. So this is the fabric and then this is the lining part. Okay, so I'm going to place it here, right side to right side, and then place this one over here, right side to right side. So after joining the front and back, this is what I have. So this is done. The next step is to attach my boning. I've covered some boning for this project and I'm going to show you how I achieved this. So I'm going to place one at the center. On these dot lines, I'm going to place my boning on all of them. To cover the boning for the back side, I'll measure what I have here, and it's 13. I'm going to cut out 13 inches. For this side, that side and that side. I hope you understand. The first step is to iron it flat. So guys, after ironing it flat, the next step is to get my fabric, and I have 1.5 inches here and for two of them. So I'll head over to the sewing machine to show you how I'm going to cover it. Place my boning like this. I'm going to stitch like this at the edge, the tip of this boning. So I'm going to stitch like this. The next step is to fold it like this. Fold it tight, okay? Once you fold it like this, then you fold again. Fold again. Can you see? Fold again. Just fold. Make sure you are folding it tight. Fold again, and then you stitch. You stitch on this side. This side. So I will make sure that the thing is properly folded. So as you sew, you drag this one outside just to make this place tighter. Just as you sew, you drag the fabric, okay? So guys, once you are done with the sewing, you will just open it up like this and trim off the excess. Just trim it off, because at the end of the day, this side will be positioned towards the fabric. The rough edges will not reveal, will not show. And yeah, this is where you are going to sew on the fabric. Very neat. Can you see? So this is how you cover, one of the ways you can cover your boning, okay? So we are going to attach the bonings now. So the first place I'll be attaching will be at the center over here. The boning did not get to the tip of this fabric, as you can see. So because I'll be turning the neckline, I'll place it like this. Make sure you get the center. You can fold it into two and mark the center. I'm going to turn it and sew the other edge. So guys, after attaching the bones at the outer part, the next step is to turn it to the wrong side, and I'm going to structure the seam side. So I'll be attaching my boning at the seam side. Can you see? This is what I have. So this is it. We are going to work on the lining part. So to couple the lining, I'm going to first of all structure the bust area on the lining. The reason why I need to structure it on the lining is so that the stitching part will not show on the fabric. So I'll do that on the lining part so that our work will be excellent. So you can structure this anyhow you want, but I'm going to mark my lines so that it will serve as a guide. So this is the bust point. This is the bust point. Then you can do that maybe 1 inch gap, depending on the amount of boning you have. So I'm doing like 1.5 inches gap. And then the last one will be here at the under bust. So at this side, I'm going to put one over here. And yeah, so basically over here I'm going to run 1 2 3 4 bonings, and then vertically I'm going to attach one at the center like so, and here, and also here. So I'll do the same thing over here. I'll attach here, and yeah, here. Structuring the bustier is very helpful, but it's also optional. So if you can do bust caging, is okay for your top. I'm going to now sew from here and here all through, and then from here to here. So after I'm done caging the bust side, the next step is to join the two sides of the front. So guys, after caging the bustier, this is what we have. Please make sure you iron it properly. Use your ball to iron the bustier very well. So this is the lining part. So the next step is to combine the two of them. So guys, after sewing, I went ahead to turn it to the right side, and this is what I have. So I'm going to put my hemming gum inside to glue the two bustier together. So guys, I've gone ahead to attach my eyelet, and I've created the boning channel. So I first of all created the boning channel for this plastic boning here and here before attaching the eyelet. So we are going to insert the boning. So when you insert it, make sure you leave small space, because we are going to be piping this side. So in case you don't know how to do the eyelet, I have a detailed video on how to go about it manually. I use my scissors to do the eyelet. So if you want to see how I did that, I have a video explaining in detail on how to go about it. Just check it out and watch, or I'll leave it in the comment section for you to click and watch. So I'm going to iron it flat. Then after that, I'll go ahead and pipe the down part. I'm going to sew on the wrong side and then pipe it on the right side. So guys, after piping the down part, this is what we have. This is the right side, and then this is the wrong side of the top. Everywhere looking so neat. So guys, this is it for the sewing part of this overbust corset. If you like what you see, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and try it out. Let me know your result in the comment section. And if you still have any question, leave it there as well. I will attend to it. And if you have not seen the drafting part of this particular top, I will leave the link of the video in the description box or in the comment section. Please do well to click to watch so you understand every part of it. Okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, I'll see you again. For now, it is bye-bye.